Introduction. The text editor is built entirely using the stack data structure. Whenever we type something, the text is stored in a stack. This way we can undo or redo actions, just like in a modern text editors. Next is the problem statement. Design a C-based text editor with menu-driven interface using stacks to implement undo or redo operations. In normal text editors, complex systems work in the background, but here we have used just two stacks, which manages all the user edits, and it makes the things simple and clear.
Object is text input. The user can input the text in the program, and under support the user can go back in the text, and radar support the user can remove back and change the text, and efficient management the use memory properly, and user interface provide clearly and option.
Temperature survey. First one is undo actions in collaborative system authored by T. Berlage, and it introduced stack-based undo models for command history, and it supports use of stacks for tracking editing actions. And second one is a model for undoing actions in text editors, authored by T.R.G. Green, and it describes psychological and technical designs for undo system, and it justifies LIFO based undo in user-friendly editors. And the third one is undo in interactive systems, authored by Matthew Randall Williams and T.H. O'Neill, and it emphasizes command history with the stack as the basis of undo redo operations, and it guides projects undo and redo logics.
Here is the pseudocode. First we have defined the size of the stack. Later we have called the function. Later we have declared data and top as a main declaration. And later we call the functions like push, pop, and if is empty. Push, in this push we have called the parameter stack and text. If stack is not full, the next stack which we enter will be stored in this. And pop, it goes and stored to the redo function and it pops the text. And if the stack is empty, first the stack will be stored in this. And again, these are the menus which has been done by the switch function. In the case one, the push, as we call the push function, and we store in it. And in second undo, the current text will be go and stored to the redo stack, and the undo stack will be popped. And next, in the case 3, if the redo stack is empty, the push to the current text to the undo, in which the undo stack will be stored in the redo stack, and it will be stored in this redo stack. Later exit.
Here is a flowchart of the program. First we start the operations, then we initialize the stack using the structure, and next display the choices. These are the 4 choices, and next user choices. User uses these choices: type, undo, redo, and exit. Then there is an end. In the result the operating, the choices are there. First the user enter the first choice, enter a new text. Take an example, hello world, and the second choice, in the second choice undo, then it will delete the even word. Then in the third choice it will redo, then it will occur again, and the last choice of 4, and it will exit from the operation. Thank you.